Space sounds are more fascinating than you think. So, what does space sound like? No sound can travel through the vacuum of space, but scientists have discovered something amazing. They use special instruments to capture electromagnetic waves from space. These waves are then converted into sound waves we can hear. Cool, right? From the eerie hum of black holes to the rhythmic pulses of pulsars, each sound tells us a story about the universe. Want to hear the roar of a distant galaxy? Or the whisper of cosmic gas clouds? These space sounds reveal clues about cosmic events and objects. Next time you gaze at the stars, remember, there's a whole universe of sounds out there just waiting to be heard. Keep exploring, space fans.